Okay. So, we are doing...
Just wait till we get in the truck. Let's wait till we get
a challenge. Well, a series of challenges. We're starting off with the first challenge.
Let's go outside.
I'm wearing a hat. I never wear hats because this first one's going to be kind of cold. So just let me just set you up here so I can get some shoes on. Oh, sorry guys. So we're doing just series of challenges, just like not like Mr. Beast level challenges.
We're 11-year-old kids.
Yeah, we're 11. I'm recording on my iPhone, my new iPhone 11.
Yeah.
Alright. So, oh god, this is covering my eyebrows.
I haven't done.
We're shout out to Doge TV 123.
It's not Doge TV anymore. Epic's doubtful.
Shout out to Epic's doubtful. It's a wonderful day out. We were gonna go swimming in my pool, but my dad's sleeping. So.
Alright, so my phone's at 31%. Should I record as well?
Yeah. I am getting a GoPro Series 8 pretty soon. So.
I'm gonna start recording.
By the way, this is my house. If you've never seen the outside of my house.
The address is down there, right?
Yeah, the address is down there.
So I don't have to worry about that.
I'm not gonna say it. Sorry guys, I had to sneeze.
Hey guys, what's up? Another video. This is gonna be pain. Not ready for it. I'm here with my boy, Exploding Jacob. I'll put his channel in the description.
I'll put his channel in my description.
Yeah, we're. All right, so
Okay, then we might have to get in the hard way.
this is gonna be a bit of a longer video. Hi Sheba. This is Jacob's dog Sheba. Hi Sheba. I'm over at Jacob's. Insecure quarantine.
Okay, so we are going to be staying in here for a while.
Yeah, we're gonna be staying in there.
Oh, did I accidentally kick your phone?
Yeah. It's okay. Sheba, you can't go in here. You can't. I don't know. Are we gonna let Sheba?
There's a lot of boxes back here, so.
Sheba, you can't go in here. Sheba. This might take a second. Please stand by. Here, Sheba cam. Oh, my Sheba wanna get angry. Oh, hi,
Oh god, I'm sorry.
Teddy cam. So how should I get in? Sheba's.
Oh.
Alright, I need to restart. Hey guys. Yeah.
Close the door.
Let's not do this because Sheba.
No, it's fine.
Sheba's good. Sheba's just gonna keep crying.
I'm not sure. Okay. Be right back.
Are you sure your dad would allow this?
It's okay.
I'm gonna take your spot.
No, kid.
Alright, I'm gonna start recording. Actually, because
sorry.
I stopped recording on accident. So.
Here, you should sit right there.
No, I'm gonna sit right here. Let's see why not.
Okay,
Alright, so, yeah, here we are. Is there any way to open this from the inside?
no. Yes, there is.
Alright.
Push on.
Well,
That.
Epic's doubtful. Here. I'm spending quite a bit of time in the back of a truck. 30-minute video. Here we go.
Maybe.
Now, if you guys don't want to sit through 30 minutes, I see
We got a
why.
screen so we can have air.
We're gonna be spending some time in here. 30-minute video, yay! New phone on iPhone 11, yay, yay. We're both recording on an iPhone 11, so like, I'm not trying to flex, but I'm just saying, yeah.
I'm flexing. I just got it yesterday. I'm not trying to flex though.
Yeah, I got it on my birthday.
Okay, so you guys might not be seeing. Well, you guys aren't gonna be seeing what I'm seeing, but I'm gonna play some Minecraft.
All right.